Top 5 apps like Uhmeglecom review that actually work today. If you've ever used Uhmeglecom, you know how random chat sites can be unpredictable. Most people get this wrong, but there are safer and more engaging alternatives that actually work today. First up is Omegle. The original random chat app lets you meet strangers worldwide through text or video. Its simple interface and large user base keep conversations lively. Second is Chatches. This app pairs users based on interests and hashtags, creating more meaningful connections. You can also remain anonymous while exploring global chats. Number 3 is Camsurf. Camsurf focuses on safe random video chatting with moderation to reduce inappropriate content. Its mobile app is smooth and beginner-friendly. Fourth, we have Monkey. Monkey is a short video chat platform that allows users to connect instantly with the added twist of matching people through common interests. Many users enjoy its speed and novelty. Finally, Azar. Azar lets you discover people in over 190 countries with real-time video chat. Its translation features break language barriers, making conversations easier and more fun. In conclusion, while Uhmeglecom is familiar, these 5 apps offer safer, more engaging ways to meet strangers online. From moderated video chats to interest-based connections, you can enjoy social discovery without the usual risks.